Hi, how are you?
Hi, hi Harish sir. How are you? I'm good, thank you.
While we are trying to maintain anonymity, we know for whatever reasons, I'd like to ask you what happened to you? What did you come to us for?
Um, for the last 20, 25 years, I think, yeah, around 25 years, I've had skin discoloration. It has spread all over the body. Um, it is spread to parts of the body which are visible. So wherever I could, I used to, cover it, but slowly it spread to parts like my hands, my fingers, which I couldn't cover.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and this is it. It has progressed over the years. Um,
Okay.
it's been a horrible experience. Absolutely, I always lacked confidence because when people see it, you can see their reaction in their eyes. It makes you, cringe, wondering what they are thinking about you, making you feel much lesser. It could be that no one really cares so much about it, but just in my mind, I would feel much lesser.
Mm-hmm.
Even when I am with my husband intimately, I would I would feel much lesser than myself. Um, I just felt not like an equal to anyone else.
Mm-hmm.
And even with my child, um, I am sure he must be wondering why is his mother so different from other mothers. I'm sure it is impacting him, uh, because we wouldn't visit so many events together, because I'm sure he gets a little embarrassed when we are meeting people, and people tend to stare uh, wherever it is visible. So it's been a very difficult social and personal life for the last so many years.
Hmm. I understand it's been difficult, and at times we assume things, but then we got into a conversation, some things changed. To tell us what happened thereafter.
Um, so I think after the first conversation that we had itself, it cleared my mind. It gave me confidence that everything is not the way I see it. It's not so bad. So it made me feel so much better, so much more confident. And then with the few things that you asked me to do over a period of 18 days, just within 18 days, slowly
Isn't that
all of
wonderful?
that. Sorry.
I'm sorry. Isn't that wonderful? I just love for you to
Yes.
repeat that.
Yeah, so just within 18 days, over a period of that 18 days period, slowly all of that vanished. And uh, I think that is a miracle, something that has been afflicting me for the last 25 years, just vanished slowly over 18 days. So I must say that this is a miracle, and I would like to thank you for this. I can't thank you enough for making me feel whole, making me feel normal, giving me back my confidence, almost giving me back my life. Thank you so much.
Those are extremely kind words. Thank you so much. But I just want to share something which is very, very simple. At times we assume a lot of things. We try steroids, and I'm sure you've had your fair share of you know medications that you've tried over the years, uh, giving what you've told us. But at times solutions in life are so simple, and we don't realize, we ourselves too don't realize, two people with the same issues One could heal in just like in your case in 18 days, and someone could take maybe 6 months, because it is about what is within that invariably we can't see on the outside. But I'm so very, very happy and glad for you that life has changed, and I assume not only for you, but your entire family. Thank you so much for taking that leap of faith and changing your life. Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you. Thanks, Hari sir. Thank you for everything.
All the best. All the best.